Yeah. Hey. Yo, listen up now, school's out. Hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ish and make you sing. School's out. Hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ish and make you sing.
खोई खोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे, पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे, हमको चबाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें, यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी कुल, सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना आएंगे ना।
Yo, listen up now, school's out. Hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ish and make you sing. School's out. Hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ish and make you sing.
थ्योरी में कमजोर है प्रैक्टिकल चैंपियन, तोड़ दे हम दीवारों को, है बोन्स में कैल्शियम, पढ़ने से जो हो ना हो टीचर से प्यार हो, फ्यूचर हो रास्ते पे आंखों में स्टार्स हो, डर वाले घर छोड़े जो भी मिले उसे छेड़े मस्ती में चले, कीड़े बाने खाने लगे ऐसे क्यों किताबों को चश्मे लग गए, साइंस पढ़े आर्ट्स पढ़े दिन पढ़े रात पढ़े कुछ भी ना पढ़े, सर पे जो डंडे सिलेबस गंदे फिर भी हम कहें, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना आएंगे ना। घर किया सब कुछ जो राइट तो फिर क्या लेफ्ट है, पास होंगे आज तो क्या कल फिर से टेस्ट है, हर जगह सब बोलते हैं ये बनो वो बनो, फंडा अपना सुनो सबकी पर अपनी ही करो, तो आओ फिर सर पुड़े घास पे भागी दौड़े नंगे पैर हम, लेटे रूठे रूठे सर के हो नीचे जूते बादल गिने हम, जिन जिन पानी आए छातों की दीवानी आए ऐसे भीगे यूं, कभी पिए कॉफी शॉफी चाय शाय है जी के बोले गॉड ब्लेस यू, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही, सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना आएंगे ना। Demo.
Oh yeah, boom! son. You can convince son.
চিত্তরঞ্জন গার্লস হাই স্কুল।
Hello, I'm Rudranath Sanyal. Welcome to War and Peace, the country's longest-running television series on security matters. Once again, we thank all our viewers who write to us frequently from different parts of the country and abroad. Well, viewers, for this special edition of War and Peace, the War and Peace team is at Sainik School Purulia in West Bengal, which is celebrating its Golden Jubilee. And our guests today are General K.S. Kumbar, who is the General Officer Commanding of the Bengal area, Air Marshal Arup Raha, the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Air Forces Central Command, who has actually passed out from Sainik School Purulia as well, and Abanendra Singh, the District Magistrate.
I am the headmaster of Sainik School Purulia. I am responsible for the training and discipline of the cadets. And here I am training them how to be familiar with the arms and ammunitions and firing range. And they are here to be trained for the firing skills. So my boys are being trained for the firing.
But you are also responsible for academics at the same time.
Yeah. I am also responsible for the entire training of the school, which also includes academics, their PT parade, their discipline and other activities.
So you are both an educationist and a military man. What does it mean?
So I am from the Army Educational Corps of Indian Army, and I am responsible for even academics. That is my primary aim here. Apart from academics, I am responsible for entire training of the school.
Which includes military training?
Yeah, it includes all military training and discipline.
Of the Navy, and I'm a specialist in anti-submarine warfare, and as a specialist I have been associated with the imparting naval training.
The school also has its own helipad, which is used by Air Force personnel to emphasize that the sky indeed is the limit here. Besides this, there's regular academics like any other school, except that here too the students or the cadets have to wear uniform like military men. And alongside subjects like mathematics and English, they also have to take interest in matters like the missile development program. The classes are from class 6 to class 12, after which the boys are encouraged to join the National Defence Academy. Otherwise, after passing out from the school, the cadets join any other field with the full force of the essential values that they develop at school.
Here I have learned the values of life and discipline and integrity, and I want to serve my nation by joining NDA.
I want to serve my country.
There is thus a growing awareness that many of the values and skills that are developed at military schools can be used as cutting edges in myriad other fields of human development and nation building. This was evident when Sainik School Purulia celebrated its Golden Jubilee, and ex-students from not only the armed forces but all walks of life revisited their alma mater and took stock of some of the core values that they imbibed here.
Of all the opportunities that we have in our country, armed forces definitely is the best. But if I can't, then the next thing I would say is, wherever I go, I will carry the spirit, can do it with me. And
I went and studied at Kharagpur, then went out to study at University of Michigan, lived there. Now I've settled there, I have a business, but the school has given me all. When I look back, I say that what I've done today is all because of this school, so I came to pay my respect.
The school's motto is "Can Do It." School's teachers, the motto is the same, that is, to be able to deliver. Major General Subrata Saha, who is the division commander of the army, is an outstanding alumnus of the school. He has the unique distinction of being graduate from both the US Army War College and the Staff College in UK. What does the Sainik School movement mean?
Well, the Sainik School movement has, many senses, many dimensions. It started off, of course, with the primary purpose of preparing young boys for the National Defence Academy, and as it has grown, it has given people to many walks of life. It has
celebrations. This is a tribal dance sequence that symbolizes peace and prosperity that the boys and teachers chose for the occasion.
And thereafter they take off.
Show us the location of the...
The standards are kept up, be it in the classroom or parade ground or in the half a dozen full-fledged play fields of the school. Be it football or hockey, cricket or basketball, the cadets have to be in a gear that almost resembles that of national teams.
The snack board. For the food. We're going to receive.
When the boys change into another graceful gear to enter the school's dining hall, it is a treat to watch. The mess can accommodate over 500 students. In recognition of these standards, the Postal Department issued a special cover to mark the occasion of the Golden Jubilee of Sainik School Purulia.
The latest batch out of 52, around 42 or something like that has come out. So in the India. So and it is one of the most pioneer such institutions in the country, and therefore we are all proud about it. And a special cover should come out, and not only special cover, as I said, it should be a commemorative stamp also in due course.
Right, Air Marshal Arup Raha. Do you think the whole business of the Sainik School movement, so to say, that started when Pandit Nehru was the Prime Minister and Krishna Menon was the Defence Minister, that has truly crystallized now?
But it's great to be here back in the school after many, many years, and after having served in the armed forces for almost 37 years now. What was the school then in terms of infrastructure, the facilities? There has been a lot of improvement.
It is not only the army where values like discipline, courage and self-discipline is required, but it is also required in other field of the life. So output of the Sainik School is basically in terms of life values and these characteristics and values like courage and self-discipline are required everywhere in life.
And Mr. Abhinand? General K.S. Kombat. From every field, there is a Sainik School stalwart. From the book industry, we have David Davida from Sainik School Kazakuta. We have Prahlad Kakkar in advertising. He is from Sainik School Punchpura. You have the likes of General Raha in the armed forces. You have Rakesh Roshan,
yes,
who is a film actor. You have Prakash Jha,
yes,
also from Sainik School. So every field.
We have Captain Gopinath from Sainik School Bijapur.
Okay.
So he's from my school.
Okay, so you are also from a Sainik school?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right, so all three of us who are sitting over here are from Sainik school. Right. So on that Sainik note,